Hey guys, and welcome back to We Plugin. In this video, we'll see how you can show nearby amenities listing on Google Maps in WordPress using our plugin. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to We Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for nearby amenities listing on Google Maps. And now install this plugin. Just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro and click on Manage Maps. Now click on this pen icon. Now scroll to bottom. Now we have a problem. The plugin that we installed is not activated. To activate that plugin, we have to go to Plugin and search for that plugin. Now just click on Activate. Now it's activated. Now let's go back to Manage Maps. Now scroll to bottom. Now as you can see, we have the option for Nearby Amenities listing on Google Maps. Just click on it. Now we have to enable this display Amenities on Map. Then we have Amenities Load Time, which you can set as per your liking. I'll set it as 2 seconds. Then we have Nearby Amenities. By user current location, I'll enable this. This will display nearby amenities by user current location. Then we have Listing Result Criteria, which you can set as per your liking. Now we are done here. Now we need to find another option called Google Maps Amenities. Now you have to enable this option. Then you can choose radius dimension in miles or kilometers. Then you can set a numeric value for radius. Now you can select which amenities you want to display on map. Now we are done here. Now we need to find one more option called Maps Center and enable this center by current location option. Now just hit save. Now as you can see, this is how map looks like without amenities. Now just hit refresh. Now as you can see, amenities are now displayed on maps. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.